Man with a bird. I never saw that before. This guy, I guess the bird is his bird, but the bird's just hanging out on his shoulder. That's unbelievable. Try to get better footage. Too close. Try to get better footage. He's got a bird hanging out on his shoulder. It must be his bird. It's gotta be his bird. Only in Venice. It's unique. I never saw that before. It's gotta be his bird. See it all at Venice Beach. This is good. This is good. This is good footage. That bird's got a good life right there. Let's see. Here we go. That's unique. Man and his bird. Yep, that bird's got it made. I've heard of walking a dog. I even heard of somebody walking a cat. But walking a bird, that's amazing to me. Only in Venice. That bird has got a good life. All right, I just thought I'll shoot this. This is a unique video here. I try to get all kind of videos to bring to you, and this is a good one. I'm gonna call this one the man and his bird. Unbelievable. Tony Bell sign out here at Venice Beach. We'll get a little bit more of the guy walking down to Windward Avenue, but that's wild. That's wild.